I finally came to a castle here, the castle of Warwick. Pretty nice, huh? A little bit, the tower and everything.
Yeah, it's quite big, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Can I talk this floor here or no?
It didn't come out, sir. One
it does.
oh. There you go.
I'm the man. Who's the man? Who's the man?
At the moment, I wouldn't dare say otherwise other than you.
Fine then. I'm the man.
See, Charlie, no matter how big a thing you've got in your hand, there's always...
Alright, stop that so maybe you can take a couple pictures.
You sure you want me to stop recording you?
Yeah, just
But you love it.